Hey everybody, welcome to the daily recap for August 18th, 2022. Let's talk about what we did today. This is Spartan speaking, by the way. So we came to the market, we were leaning more on the bullish neutral side today. We got a nice little grind higher. Basically, market stuck within this flag range. It bounced off the uptrend on the daily, had room for some continuation higher. So that's what we're looking for in the short term. Couple things that we did today. We did kill it on the low float stocks. Very happy with that. So let's talk about those first. We did Indo long. We had this around 630s. Actually lower, around 624. Added into it around 630 break, and then we got a really nice move on this to $9. So about 3.5 points, almost 4 points to the upside on this one. We did some GCT long. We tried it long this morning. We got stopped out on the starter, and then we tried it long off the lows, and we got that run up at the end of the day, which we sold into, so that was fantastic. 3 points on that. Veru shorted this one this morning for 2.5 points. Pretty good trade there. MEGL, we're long this one on the halt, 1292, and we got that pop towards the 1540. So effectively a 2.5 point trade, 2 point trade, let's call it. Drug, we were long this one early on when it started to break out. We're looking for 470s. We hit it, and 2 points on that one long today, as well as Tesla long for 4 points. We tried some snow today. That one didn't work. We tried some coin long off the lows. We got a decent little bounce there for a couple points, or sorry, for 1.5 points. Nothing too crazy there, and nothing really to call home about, is what I would say. Blue, we grabbed this one long off the lows, which was awesome. Right down here is when we grabbed around 557s. We got a little bit of a bounce there for about 40 cents, or sorry, I guess 33 cents, 34 cents, something like that. Not a bad trade, and that's pretty much it on the equity side. We tried some ARC, that one didn't work, and then that one didn't work as well. It kind of just didn't rip to the upside like we were hoping they would, like Indo and all the other ones. But all in all, very good stuff on the equity side today. Let's take a look at what we did on the option side. So South Beach mentioned WEBR. We grabbed some 10 calls, some 12.5 calls, 443% on the 10s, 12.5s, 400%. Really nice trade there. Qualcomm, we were in the 155 calls. We got lucky with that pop. 400% on that. Netflix, we had the 250 calls on for 187%. Nice little move there. We had Tel 4.5s on. For a 170% move on that. And then there was just a couple things intraday that we were kind of just scalping to the upside. But WEBR was certainly the biggest one. We did some SPX this morning for 100%. SPX at the end of the day didn't work. We got stopped out of that one. We tried some SMCI 75 calls for 50%. That was pretty decent. We did some BABA calls for 80%. Those were the 92s. Got a nice little pop to the upside there. Sold into that. We tried some SEAL lottos. We ended up just exiting those at the end of the day. No point to swing them. And then Twilio 84 calls for about 33%. That was an okay trade. Bed Bath Beyond 12 puts for 30%. CSIQ, oh, this was a good one. The 148 calls for 180%. So that was a pretty decent one there. And that's it, guys. All in all, Amazon 144 calls. We got about 70% on those. Coin 90 calls. About about 25% on those, and that's it. So all in all, really high hit rate today. Biggest thing were these low float runners. Did pretty well. Yeah, I mean, I thought it was a great day, to be honest. I didn't see anything bad about it. And for myself, it ended up being around $15,559, which I can show you guys if you want. Let me just pop this up. There we go. $15,559.73. So pretty good. Scalping around and doing whatever. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, go to SpartanTrading.com. If you want to come trade with us, you can go to, like I said, SpartanTrading.com. Sign up there. Live chat. You get access to the live stream, as well as all the alerts for entries, exits, ads, stops. If something meets your criteria, you can feel free to do whatever you want with it. But we're just letting you know kind of what our ideas are throughout the day. As well, we do have Lotto Friday tomorrow, so it should be a busy one, mainly trading options. It's a really fun day. Usually find these high percentage movers. If they're out there, we try to find them. We do a pretty good job of being consistent in that regard. Anywho, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.